Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create a NordVPN account. So to create a NordVPN account, you just have to search for nordvpn.com. After searching for nordvpn.com, you will come up to this page where you can tap on login, which is on the top right corner of your screen. After tapping on login, now what you can do is just tap on sign up, and here you can find don't have an account sign up. Just tap on sign up. And after tapping on sign up, now you can enter your email address that you would like to sign up with your account. Then you will receive a code in your email address. You just have to enter that 6-digit code. So after entering that 6-digit code, now you have to set a password for your NordVPN account. So after setting a password, now just have to tap on create password. After tapping on create password, now you can see you have successfully created your NordVPN account. So that's it guys, this is how to create NordVPN account. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.